Oh.
Okay, we're back, and back again. Okay.
I wrote stand. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I've gotten a little more comfortable here over the past couple days. So it's been 2 days. He's been here for 2 days.
He's been here for 3. Remember, they had the meeting, and then they had the poem day, and this is the second poem day.
Okay. Entering the club room, the usual scene greets me.
Hi, Anal Cave. Yo, Sayori. Show me your penis.
Looks like you're in a good mood
She's
today.
always in a fucking good mood. She has Asperger's. I'm just still not used to you being in the Ku Klux Club, that's all.
I see.
Nothing, because I'm blind. That's
That's pretty simple.
Dad.
That's a pretty simple thing.
I clicked on accident.
But I guess it's always the simple things with you anyway.
Yeah, like doing anal rape. That's pretty.
What?
Speaking of which.
Okay.
And then take those jeans that are on the dryer and put them in.
Okay.
Thank you, hon.
Did you pause it?
What? No.
Oh.
I'm kind of hungry. Will you come to buy a snack? No tanks. Oh, that's you. Do you want me to read it now?
Yeah, you just read it.
Oh, you're going to be right there. You can just scream the lines. I'll just tell the lines to you and you'll scream them back.
No.
Okay, that sounds like
no,
a
you
good...
just read them.
That's not like you at all. I have my reasons. Why don't we take a look at your purse, Sayori? Why, that, all of a sudden? No reason, really. I just want to look at it. Sayori nervously retrieves her coin purse. She fumbles with the latch and gets it open. Then she turns it upside down and flips it all around and lets its contents spill onto the desk. Only 2 small coins fall out. That's a face.
I knew it.
It's the face of a cum dumpster.
I can see right through you, Sayori.
What's going on?
That's
not... How did you even know?
It's simple. If you had enough money in the first place, you would have bought a snack before coming to the club room.
Coming into the Ku Klux.
So either you're not hungry and you wanted an excuse to take a walk,
wanted an excuse, or you
plan to conveniently forget that you spent all your money so that I would lend you some. But there's one more thing. You're always hungry.
Fat whore.
And so that I only leave the one
Rape.
option. The only one option.
Rape. Whipping her like you own her. I like whipping my women like I whip my dog. Aggressive until it listens.
Wow.
Ooh, ah, kumbaya, I give up. I'm gay for you.
Wow.
Don't make me feel guilty! Exclamation point, parentheses.
If you feel guilty, that means you deserve to feel guilty.
But I don't deserve it.
Yuri suddenly giggles.
E-H?
EA Sports.
Parentheses, E-H, question mark, parentheses. I'm gonna start doing that for all my sentences. Parentheses, do you suck dick?
Okay.
Question mark, parentheses.
Okay. I didn't notice that she was listening in. Eavesdropper. Her face is in her book, as always.
What? Her arms are behind her back. Where the fuck is her book? Is it in her boobs?
Oh, wow.
Is that what the boob job is for? To read books if I have hands in case you become an amputee?
Wow. Okay.
Wow!
What the hell was that?
I wasn't listening or anything.
What the hell?
I can do it louder.
No.
I'll do the next one. It was just something in my book. Yuri! Tell Anal Cave to let me borrow some money! That's Don't get me involved like that, Sayori. B-side. You
Besides,
should only buy what you can responsibly afford. Okay, I bet you paid for that boob job, totally. And Frank, after putting him mischievous little stunt like that, your suffering is fair enough retribution. Grab the wit.
wit.
Grab the wits. Period. Did I just... I didn't mean that. I got you absorbed into my book. Where the fuck did your eyes go? I really like when you speak your mind, Yuri. It doesn't happen, but it's a fun side of you. There's no way you could think that. You were tight.
You were tight.
You were right, though. Oh, when we went by that sign where it said, Grandma says, I was a looker. I always say, I was a hooker. Grandma says I'm a hooker. Retribution. That still coming from you, Sayori. Shingai Higuchi. I guess there's a little devil inside of us. All of us, isn't it? But what if you're... What if you are devil? Is there a devil inside of you? Then is there even more of a devil than the devil himself? Is there a God that created God?
Or did God create himself?
Yeah, through penetration.
What the hell?
Did he get Virgin Mary pregnant with him and then get him pregnant with his...
What the hell? Okay.
Okay. Oh.
Don't let her fool you.
Don't join the dark side of my penis.
Sayori knows exactly what she's doing. After all, she told you guys she was bringing me to the club before she even told me.
But you would have come if it weren't for the cupcakes. So I had to trick Natsuki into making them. Oh. Come on.
Give me more credit
Come.
than that, Sayori.
Come. Oh, what?
Flap. She got whipped. Out of nowhere, something smacks Sayori in the face and tumbles onto the desk.
I think I saw a pussy. Cat. What was a cookie?
Sure enough, it's a giant cookie wrapped in plastic. Sayori glances around.
Is this a miracle? It's because I paid my
Restitution.
my relution.
Retribution.
Resident Evil Retribution. Actually, that one almost worked. I was just gonna give it to you, but then I heard you blab about the cupcakes. It was totally worth seeing your reaction channel, though. Ahaha. Natsuki. Shingahu. Natsuki.
Wow.
That's so nice of you, Shingehu Higuchi. Oh, go. See what?
Sayori, what?
Jizz, just eat.
Just eat it.
Jizz, just eat it.
Sayori rapidly tears open the wrapper and
How are
takes
you
a big
not
bite.
thick? So good, Shingehu Higuchi.
Why do you keep doing this?
Shingehu Higuchi.
Oh my god.
Here you go.
Sayori suddenly.
Suddenly says suddenly, class for suddenly, on her hand, suddenly. I bit my tongue, Shingehu Higuchi.
Oh my god.
Me and you. Shingehu Higuchi. You're going through a lot over just one
Cookie.
cooked nigger.
Natsuki takes a bite on her own cookie.
Of her own cookie, so she takes it by her vagina.
Yep.
Ah, yours truly looks really good too, Shingehu Higuchi. Can I try it? Jizz. Beggars can't be causers, but yours is cocklet. Yeah, why do you think I gave that one? Fine! Still, I'm really happy that you shared this one with me! Shingehu Higuchi.
I don't think she left.
Oh god. What about your mom?
I don't know, who knows.
Yeah, I heard her open the door and close it.
Oh, that was stepmom anyway.
Yeah.
Sayori gets out of...
Same thing. They're both having sex, forget that.
What the fuck? Jesus Christ. Sayori gets out of her seat and goes behind Natsuki and then wraps her arm around her.
Your previous home has been in both women. Oh god, that's fucked up.
Yep. It's fucked up. Okay, continue.
Oh god, she's getting raped?
Ah,
Ah, jizz! I get it. I don't give a shit. Cookie's still in hand. What? Is she raping her? What the fuck? That's your line.
Cookie's still in hand. Natsuki reaches to nudge Sayori off her.
Shingai hu haguchi.
Suddenly,
Shingai hu haguchi. Nori?
Sayori suddenly leans down and takes a bite out of Natsuki's cookie. Jesus Christ.
Hey! Did you seriously just do that?
Mouthful, Sayori trots away to safety.
Isn't there another girl?
Yeah, she isn't here. I guess. Who knows?
Ha ha ha.
Yuri and I laugh. Yuri and I laugh as well. Ha 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 ha.
One cookie. Ha ha ha. Two cookies. Ha, ha,
Diabetes. Ha ha.
I really love cupcakes. Do you also love getting diabetes?
Oh my god.
Jizz, you're such a kid. Sometimes. Monica, can't you tell Sayori?
Natsuki glances around the room. Monica isn't in the club room.
Ugh.
That's skank.
Where's Monica anyway?
Good question.
Have any of you heard anything about her being late today, mate? Not me. My fucking throat. All these little women with a little tilly toddler pussy. Fuck. I'm gonna read it. Oh wait, you have to read. Yeah, I haven't either. Fucking jizz cake.
Yep. Yeah, I haven't either. Jesus Christ. Boom.
That's a bit unusual. I hope she's okay. Is she hanging herself? Of course she's okay. She probably just had something to do today. Like,
Yeah,
Like
like
what's-
real friends.
what?
Like real friends.
She's pretty popular after all. Unlike all of us nerds who sit at home masturbating to fucking Club Penguin.
Ow, my fucking ears.
You don't think she killed herself? She has a depression. I wouldn't be surprised. She's
Ow.
probably more desirable than all of us combined. She's probably fucking some men. That's true. Accuse me?
Accuse me. Suddenly, the
oh.
door swings open.
Sorry, I'm super sorry. A new superhero, super sorry. Oh, that's your line.
Ah, there you go. What the fuck?
I didn't mean to be late. I meant to be early. I meant to be both. I want to be early and late.
I hope you
guys weren't worried or anything. I was just nutting in the bathroom. Monica chose the club over her boyfriend after all. She still has no fucking dick. You're so strong-willed. Oh, she has a boyfriend?
I don't know.
Well, we can still nut in her.
Just wait, just wait.
Boyfriend? What on earth are you talking about?
Monica quizzically glances at me.
Club Penguin? I mean, Cahootly glances at me. Oh.
Ah, never mind that.
What held you up?
What held you up anyway? Oh.
Well, my last period today was...
Study hall. Of course.
My last period today was pretty difficult. To be honest, I kind of just lost track of time. While I was fucking having a period in the bathroom stall, leaving blood on everywhere. It's coming out like fucking squirting out. The kids next door were like coming out and running through like a sprinkler.
Oh my god, you're so fucked up, man.
Tasted like purplicious Kool-Aid.
Oh my god. Purple-licious Kool-Aid.
Tasted like cherry limeade.
Oh my god.
Oh, I can still see this. Ah! That makes no sense. Oh. That makes no sense, though. You would have heard the bell ring, at least. I must not have heard it since I was practicing piano while having my period. Piano? I was in the way you played piano, Shingaihu Haikuchi. I don't really. I kinda just started recently. I've always wanted to learn piano. That's so cool. You should play something for us, Monica. Do you know the way? That's... I am the commander. Okay.
Okay.
See ya bitches later, and always remember.